Hello guys, and welcome to Infinky Infopedia. Today we are diving into the latest addition to Samsung's Galaxy lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A55. Samsung has been killing it lately with their mid-range devices, and this one promises to be no different. Let's take a closer look. The Galaxy A55 impresses with its sleek design and premium build quality at first glance. Samsung continues refining its aesthetic, which shows with this device. Now, let's talk specs. The Galaxy A55 has a stunning 6.6-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of around 1000 nits. It comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2340, and it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or gaming on the go, this display delivers an immersive experience. The Galaxy A55 is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1480 chipset. This is Samsung's latest chipset launch with this smartphone. It comes in two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB and 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. It's also expandable up to 1TB. This combination ensures smooth performance and seamless multitasking, whether you're switching between apps or running graphics-intensive games. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. The Galaxy A55 features a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Whether you capture landscapes or close-up shots, this camera setup delivers impressive results. For the selfie, a 32-megapixel selfie camera on the front. And of course, we can't forget about battery life. The Galaxy A55 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage on a single charge. Plus, with 25-watt fast charging, you can juice up your device in no time. Now, let's talk about the software experience. The Galaxy A55 runs on Samsung's One UI 4.0 based on Android 14. With features like enhanced customization options, improved security features, and seamless integration with other Samsung devices, the software experience is top-notch. And finally, let's discuss the price. The Samsung Galaxy A55 offers incredible value for money, with a starting price of $525, making it an attractive option for consumers looking for a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. There you have it, our thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy A55. Overall, we are impressed with what Samsung has brought to the table with this device. If you're in the market for a mid-range smartphone that delivers on performance, camera quality, and battery life, the Galaxy A55 is worth considering. So that's it for today. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.